Hello and welcome to your screencast on how to submit and start working on your PPD2 HCPC statement. So this is the front page of my PebblePad. If you go to the little blue circle there, that's your atlas, so click in there. And I've got lots of different workspaces, but you'll just have one, and you want personal and professional development too. And you go to resources. Your top one is HCPC statement. So you'll have a button that says copy and submit. Mine's greyed out because I've already done it. So you just click copy and submit. And if you go back to your dashboard and back to your Pebble Plus, go into your assets. You can see there my top one is the HCPC statement. So click into that and then you can start working on it. See, I've already put a few bits in there. So write whatever it is you want to write. And then just for hyperlink, all you do is highlight the words you want to hyperlink. Click link. Link to an asset. Bring up all your assets. And I'll just pick a random one. But you obviously pick one that's relevant. And that's it, and you can just continue to work on that. Now you've got the summary of recent work events. You've got your standard 1, and standard 2, standard 3, and standard 4. So you link each one of these to the learning outcomes, and we'll go through this more in the assignment support sessions. Thank you.